Hello, welcome back to Everything Candlesticks. And today we're going to be looking at Votality 25 index. Let's get into it. All right, you can see we're on a daily time frame here. We're on a daily time frame, and we can see that the market has been moving up. It broke this trend here, and then it went up all the way here. Maybe let's start by highlighting all these levels, okay? So, but before that, the market broke this level and went down. But in breaking this level here, it created this order block here, which appears to us is a supply zone. Okay, let us remove this one. This is gonna be a very quick video because there's not much to say really about this pair or this asset rather. So remember guys, we spoke about liquidity, we spoke about supply and demand. And if you missed those videos, I would advise that you go check on my channel all other videos where I speak about liquidity and supply and demand. Okay, so if you know supply and demand, we spoke about the difference between two types of zones. There is a zone like this one, which is in within the trend, and then there is a zone that is at the end or the beginning of the trend. So this one is within the trend. It's a continuation zone. So you see here, there were there were buyers that tried to take control of the market, that tried to change the direction. However, they failed, and then the sellers came in power and pushed the market further downwards. Okay, you see that? So the market then gave us this order block, which is the supply. Okay, so then what happens if we channel down to a lower time frame? So you see the market formed a double top, which is a pattern that signals for selling power. Okay, so I think it is safe for us to expect the market to fall at least to this point, just to be safe. I will select this point here. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing on this chart, but let us go to M15 and see what's happening. Okay, the liquidity was collected here, and then the market went up to look for an order block, and it found this one and it went further down. So I think it is safe for us to mark this one so that when the market breaks this one, we know that we're gonna be selling up until down until here. All right, so yeah, I'm just gonna pause this video here, and then we'll see if the market will play out like I expected to. Okay, so this might come here, guys, and make a double top here before it comes down and break to go this direction, if it does play out like I expect it to. All right, so for now, I'm just gonna pause this video and analyze another one. It's in the morning, it's Friday. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for the market to play out like this, and then we're gonna trade. We're gonna follow the market. We're not gonna predict and trade before it gives us all the signs that we need. All right, so the reason I don't wanna buy here, even though I'm seeing this double bottom, is because we are very close to a strong supply zone. Okay, and I just want to take a long-term trade, not a long-term trade, but I want to take a trade that's more guaranteed as compared to scalping here and having to, being nervous and anxious all the time you open the market. So I will have to wait and take the downward direction if the market does comes below this line here. And if it doesn't, it's okay. I'll wait for the market to break above and then retest, and then we're gonna trade the upward direction. All right, so I'll see you later, guys. Hey, we are back again on Votality 25 index, and this is how the market looks like. You see, it broke this level here, and then it went down, and I still believe it's gonna go down all this way to this point here. Yep, our analysis is going the way we predicted. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Like this video if you find it very helpful, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. See you on the next video. Bye.